Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our data logger project, and this is Muhammad Abdul Ahad. First, we have created a new Proteus project, and then we have selected the components mode and to select the components, and we have selected Arduino Uno and the EST11 sensors communication port physical interface and the resistance from there. So then after that we have selected a component, and then we have clicked here like this, and then we have created the devices such as Arduino Uno, the DST11 sensors communication port physical interface, and after that we have also added the virtual terminal from the virtual instruments as you see here. After that we have connected all the devices with Arduino, and we have connected the data pin of the DST11 sensors with the Arduino pin number 2, and we have configured our Arduino with the program file that we have created with the Arduino code, and also we have configured the physical port as communication port 3 and the virtual baud rate and the physical baud rate at 9600, and we have created the communication ports using the HSHD virtual serial ports tools. So we have created a local bridge between communication port 3 and 4 using this software. So here if we run the simulation again, you will see the Arduino will get the data from the DST11 sensors and send the data using the communication port.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ashfaq Hussain. Here I am going to talk about the code. We input the dht.h file and now we give the pin number. Here we select pin 2 and define it as dht pin, and we also give it type which is dht11. After that we create an object dht where we give two parameters dht pin and dht type. In void we call dht.begin function so that it can run the code one time. After that we read the humidity value and store it on H, and read the temperature value and store it on T. After that we check if the value of H, T and F is a number or not. If it is not a number, then we print serial.println tail to bit from DHT sensor. After that, if it is a number, then we print the serial.println T and serial.println H. Now we compute the heat index in Fahrenheit and store it on the HIF. Also, we do the same thing, but now this is in Celsius, and we store it on HIC. After that, we go to the sketch file. Sketch file here we click the export compile binary, and after that we get this hex.hex file.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Hassanul Banna. I welcome you to our 360 data logger project. In our left we can see the block diagram of our project, and firstly we created visa input so that we can take the DST11 humidity and temperature data that has been sent by the Arduino, and we will send the string data to the string to number converter, and then we'll pass the data to the thermometer and the humidity meter, and also to both of the waveform graphs, so that we can show the data in the front panel. Then we created an array. The first element of the array is data, the second element is time, and the third element is the temperature string data, fourth element is humidity string data, and the three other are the ID of our lab group members. We send the combined array data to the table control so that the table control can show all the data in a tabular format. We created the entire system in a while loop so that the system will iterate itself every 500 milliseconds to take new inputs from the Arduino. In the right we can see the front panel. If I select comport 2 in the visa resource and select comport 1 in the Proteus, and then if I run the LabVIEW project, and then if I run the Proteus project, then we can see that our temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 84. So it is showing in the virtual terminal and in the table control, in the waveform graphs, and also in the thermometer and in the humidity meter. So here the temperature is 23 and the humidity is 84. So if I change the values of the temperature and the humidity in the Proteus, it will also change in the LabVIEW. So for example, if I increase the temperature to 28 in the virtual environment, it increased to 28, and also in the table it became 28. In also all the other things it became 28. So thank you everyone.